and welcome to the BlueHub YouTube channel. I'm Joe. I'm one of the ERP specialists here at BlueHub, and today I'm going to be running you through the ShipTheory integration and some of the new features that have been introduced over the past couple of weeks. The main one we're going to look into today is the bulk exporting of sales orders from Deer into ShipTheory. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to head over into our integration tab. From my integrations, I can go into my integrations and I can go down to ShipTheory. This particular page has now changed and has been updated with a few new options. One of the bigger options here is this option to export sales orders to ShipTheory. Previously, you had to generate these shipping labels one at a time within Deer. Now you can wait for the export to run within inside of Deer and bulk send over sales orders into ShipTheory to then actually be produced with their labels. As we scroll down here, we can also see there's a couple of other options as well in terms of your sales order export filter. And this is actually going to allow you to not export certain orders within the system to be sent over into ShipTheory. In the instance which I've got set up here, I've got our parameter name for the reference field. If this reference field contains test as the value, it will not send over that sales order to ShipTheory. So if you wanted to block out certain orders, you can put your parameters and your export filters in here, and those orders won't be sent over. I've also turned on some notifications, so as and when a sales order is successfully exported or fails to export, we can generate some internal notifications up here at the top right. If I scroll up and go into our shipment log, we can currently see and have a track of what orders have actually been sent over into ShipTheory. So if I change our parameter from this week to previous month, we can see there's a couple of orders here which have been sent over. We can currently see the sales order reference number, the fulfillment number, the customer, when the ship by date was, and the current status, whether it's exported, whether it's failed. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause the recording. I'm going to generate a sales order inside of Deer, and then once that is sent over into ShipTheory, I can then show you that order within the system. So we now have our order, which is 296. This particular order has been fully authorized, picked, packed, and shipped within the system. Once you have marked these as fully shipped and you completed all the previous fulfillment stages, once a day, Deer is going to send over this information to ShipTheory automatically. However, if we go back into our integration page, and if I do a schedule export, we can force this export to run much sooner. So I'm just going to pick our dates. I'm just going to do yesterday and tomorrow. And then what I can do here is this is going to trigger a scheduled export as and when a couple of minutes pass by, around 5 or 10 minutes seems to be the best case. These orders will then be sent over into ShipTheory. Again, I'm going to pause the recording, and as and when this particular sales order gets sent over, I can then show you this order inside of ShipTheory. So having a look at the order inside of ShipTheory, we can currently see this order has now been exported. If you have your shipping rules set up, this can easily trigger the shipping label to print out. You can also connect ShipTheory to your printer as well to have that automatically print out for you. If we go back into Deer and the ShipTheory integration, we can currently see this week our order, the order which I've just made, has been exported successfully to ShipTheory. If there's any questions on how any of this works, please let us know. If you have any ideas on any of the topics you wish for us to cover as well, please put them in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.